All right, so FabFitFun arrived around November 12th. It's been sitting for a little bit, so don't remember what I chose for everything. So excited to get into this today. The magazine has information for the members, perks and such, and then it does have information about the individual products. So I'm going to hold on to that and use it as a reference as I pull the products out. Okay. Yay, the slippers. I do remember choosing these. They looked warm and fuzzy. Nice soles. I'll go ahead and just open that up. I like the way that you just slip your foot into them too. Love slippers like that. They look so warm and cozy. So the company is Chinese Laundry Slippers, and they are 100% man-made. They're suede, and then they have faux fur with some type of a rubber type sole. They do retail $39.95, and the member's price is $12. Oh, and that is category number 3. Okay, so this one is the My Tag-Along Vitamin Organizer. This one was customization category number 4. Let's see, it has a retail price of $22. Member price is $8, so it's always nice to be a member. You get those, great deals. Really soft, very nice soft container. Love this dusty dark rose color. And let's see, it has 14 compartments, and then there's that band to hold it in there. This is a travel pill case, which is 7 by 3.5 by 1.5, and it has a zipper to close it up. So I'll definitely get some use out of that. Okay, so this one is customization category number 6, Herbivore Botanicals. It's Aquarius Clarity Cream. It retails for $44. The member price is $10. It contains blue tansy oil and white willow bark. Deep cleans congested pores. Oh, it's a cleanser. Oh, psych. Deep cleans congested pores while balancing hydration, leaves your skin feeling soft with a matte finish, and it's for oily combination skin. So look at that. Ooh, no scent to it, but that looks really nice. I'm excited to try that. Okay. And this one is the company Aceology. This is a face mask. I've tried this in different types. They have several different types. Now this retails $69. Member price is $8. This is category number 5. It has peptides, adenosides, some orange, green purslane. It will lift and brighten your complexion. It illuminates and rejuvenates. It's a mask. Alrighty, I do remember choosing this one as well. So this is the company Nude Sticks. It's a hanging cosmetic case that you can use for traveling. It has a retail of $64. Member price is $15. So you can put in here your skincare, your makeup, hair products, whatever. You can use liquids and use it to travel. So as you can see, hopefully you can see, this is kind of close up. But it has the 3 compartments, and there at the top, you have like the plastic, you have the little zip pocket there. And then in the center, some netting and some more plastic zip pocket. And then this one looks like it's maybe like 1.5 inches deep. And you have several little bands there to hold it in place. And then it just folds up and zips up. So I'm excited about that one. I have some stuff to travel now, Okay, that was actually category 1, or customization, whatever you want to refer to it as. And then this one here is customization number 2, and it's an Icon Beauty mini humidifier. And let's see, this retails $49.99. Member's price is $15. So this is a lightweight, portable humidifier, and it has a USB port, so you can use that. And you simply just plug it in, and it's got some colorful LED lights that come out the top, and then it can mist. It's a spraying mist. This stuff all fell out. Well, hopefully it works well. I'm planning on put it right along bedside because I get so stuffed up at night. But those are all 6 of my products. Now, if you were to buy these products, if you go to the store and buy these products individually, $64, $49.99, $39.95, $22.69, and $44 comes to $288.94. If you're a member, you can shop on the site and you could buy them for $15, $15, $12, $8, $8, and $10, which comes to $68. Either way, it's a fantastic deal with FabFitFun. If you're going to buy the products or you're going to get them all in the box. I paid annually, and I think it's, I don't even know. I know it was under $50, and that includes the shipping. So what do you guys think? What do you think of all these 6 items that I received in my FabFitFun for the year of, what do we got, winter 2022? Let me know in your comments below. See you in the next one.